Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Laura, your trusted guide to health topics that matter today. We're diving into a subject that's rarely talked about, but can make a huge difference in healthy aging. For older men, the surprising benefits of masturbation. This is a judgment-free zone, and I'm so glad you're here to learn. If you find this valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts on healthy aging in the comments below. Let's spark a meaningful conversation as we age. Staying vibrant, healthy, and happy becomes a top priority for men. Over 60, maintaining physical and mental well-being is key to living past 80 with energy and confidence. While diet, exercise, and sleep are often discussed, there's one natural activity that's often overlooked. Masturbation, yes, it's a sensitive topic, but it's a normal part of life. And science shows it can play a significant role in longevity. Today, I'll walk you through 4 key benefits, bust some myths, and share practical tips to help you prioritize your health. Let's get started. Benefit 1. Heart health first. Let's talk about your heart. Cardiovascular disease is a leading concern for older men. But did you know that sexual activity, including masturbation, can support heart health? A 2016 study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine followed over 900 men and found that those who engaged in regular sexual activity had lower blood pressure and a reduced risk of heart attacks. Masturbation acts as a form of light exercise, increasing your heart rate and improving blood flow. It's also a fantastic stress reliever. When you reach orgasm, your body releases endorphins and oxytocin, which lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone linked to heart disease. So think of it as a natural, enjoyable way to keep your heart in shape. Benefit 2, prostate health. Next, let's discuss prostate health, which becomes increasingly important. As men age, the prostate gland can be prone to issues like benign prostatic hyperplasia or even prostate cancer. Here's where things get interesting. A 2016 study from Harvard Medical School found that men who ejaculated more frequently, 21 times or more per month, had a significantly lower risk of prostate cancer compared to those who ejaculated less. Often, masturbation counts toward this. The theory is that regular ejaculation helps flush out potentially harmful substances from the prostate, keeping it healthier over time. While it's not a cure, it's a simple, natural way to support your body's defenses. Benefit 3, mental and emotional well-being. Emotional well-being. Third, masturbation is a powerful tool for mental and emotional health. Aging can bring challenges like loneliness, anxiety, or even depression, especially for older men who may feel societal pressure to slow down. Masturbation triggers the release of dopamine and endorphins, the brain's feel-good chemicals. These hormones boost your mood, reduce stress, and can even improve sleep quality, crucial for mental sharpness. A 2018 study in the journal Sexual Medicine Reviews noted that sexual activity in older adults is linked to better cognitive function and emotional resilience. Plus, it's a way to stay connected to your body and maintain a sense of vitality, which is so important for confidence and self-esteem. Benefit 4, pelvic floor, strength. Finally, let's talk about pelvic floor health. You might associate pelvic floor exercises with women, but they're just as important for men. Regular masturbation engages the pelvic floor muscles, which support bladder control and sexual function. Weak pelvic floor muscles can lead to issues like urinary incontinence or erectile difficulties, which become more common with age by maintaining an active sexual life. You're essentially giving those muscles a workout, helping you stay in control and competent. If you want to take it further, I recommend Kegel exercises, contracting and relaxing the muscles you use to stop urination for added strength, busting myths. Now let's address some myths that might be holding you back first. There's a misconception that masturbation is only for younger people, or that it's somehow wrong or shameful for for older misconceptions adults. That system. Let's continue from where we left off. Unhealthy? This couldn't be further from the truth. Masturbation is a normal, healthy activity at any age, and it's never too late to embrace its benefits. Another myth is that masturbation causes physical or mental harm like weakness or memory loss. There's no scientific evidence to support this. Those are outdated ideas rooted in cultural tabos, not facts. Lastly, some worry that masturbation might interfere with relationships. Open communication with a partner can actually strengthen intimacy as you both prioritize health and connection. Practical tips for healthy practical tips. Aging. So, how can you incorporate this into a holistic approach to aging? Well, here are my top tips. 1. Listen to your body. There's no right. Frequency for masturbation, it's about what feels good and sustainable for you, whether it's once a week or more. Trust your instincts. 2. Create a comfortable space. Find a private, relaxing environment where you feel at ease. This could be your bedroom or bathroom, maybe with some calming music or dim lighting. 3. Explore safely. If you use lubricants or toys, choose body-safe, non-irritating products. Check with your doctor. Check with your doctor if you have skin sensitivities or medical conditions. 4. Combine with other healthy habits. Pair this with a balanced diet, regular exercise like walking or yoga, and good sleep hygiene. These amplify the benefits for your heart, prostate, and mind. 5. Talk to your doctor. If you have concerns about libido, erectile function, or prostate health, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. Open conversations lead to better outcomes. I want to take a moment to address the stigma around this topic. Society often shies away from discussing sexuality in older adults, but it's time to change that. You deserve to live fully, joyfully, and healthfully at every stage of life. Masturbation isn't just about physical health. It's about reclaiming your vitality, embracing your body, and defying stereotypes about aging. I've seen patients transform their outlook by letting go of shame and prioritizing self-care. Outro, you're not alone, and you're doing something powerful for your longevity. Thank you so much for joining me today on this important journey. My goal is to empower you with knowledge and confidence to live your best life past 80. If this resonated with you, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with someone who might benefit. Let's keep this conversation going. Drop a comment below. What's one health topic you'd love me to cover next? Or what's your favorite tip for healthy aging? Your input shapes this community, and I can't wait to hear from you. Stay vibrant, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Dr. Laura, signing off with a reminder. Your health is worth celebrating at every age.